The one where there's the mountain. On my fucking footage.
Don't turn around, hit it. You're on video.
What's up, YouTube? We're back. Going riding today, so we're gonna get all loaded up. Yeah, should be a good day. Sorry for the delay in videos, but we're back, guys. Mission success. Aw, dude, it's gonna be so hot today. I can already feel it. I got a stand. I don't know if you guys have seen this yet, okay? Check this out, dude. This is like $75 at the store or something, or like 80 bucks. This thing is so nice. I literally ordered one on Amazon. It never showed up. Canceled it in the store. Bought this thing. Do not regret my purchase. That's it, fellas. We're ready to go.
Is that second?
Yeah.
Fucking, I just fixed fucking Kyle's frame on my fucking YouTube thing. He had his kids snap the frame on their fucking pitter.
Dude, I'm getting to the point where I'm kind of worried. I'm gonna snap the.
You're worried?
Motor's gonna fucking fall out because I don't have the cradle. Look how this tilts off, bro.
Can't see where Drew ran. There he is. Don't turn around, hit it. You're on video.
This one and it was just
How fast were you going?
like third pin.
Laying down right there. passed out. Let's see the shifter. Turn this thing around.
Fold it in half.
No way.
Good thing I have tools.
Bend it out with your foot. It'll be fine.
Am I like fucking? I got like.
Your nose is
Oh,
red.
bro.
Scraped it. Scrub that bitch in.
Fucker stings.
Scrub it in.
Dang, dude.
I can pour some cores on there.
Yeah, I feel like
I think we need to treat it like a jellyfish thing. Lay on the ground.
No, we're not.
I really think you can bend that thing out of there.
Oh, 100%.
Did you put the shift brace on it?
Yeah. Should probably check that fine. God. Fucking. Can't even get my jean that high. That's a little chunk.
You didn't even put the beer on top.
All right.
Try to bend this fucker out.
Super fucking dry. You can hit it though, like even first, and you'll launch out here.
God, I think the worst part is my fucking kneecap, dude. It stings so bad.
Hold on. This is gonna be graphic. We're not gonna be allowed to put this in. Go for it.
Oh. Worst part is there's glass over this shit too.
There's glass.
Yeah. People throw
The
bottles of
parties.
shit
We just got back from a pizza break too.
I bet I can read that.
That was way better. Oh, dude, it's not even hitting anything.
No.
Awesome, dude. Awesome.
My bad, guys.
Watch out, this guy's ripping behind you.
If it was a little wet out, you would have been fine.
That was so funny.
Only open. Noah should be here any second.
Oh, dude, your bar is tweaked too, man.
No, just these. Fine.
It makes a huge difference when you're riding.
You're just always going left.
Always going left.
He's just driving
Shit hurted.
down. Everyone's like looking at him. So he just did his line.